Your Git history and your ServiceNow instance are now automatically in sync. You know what code is in Git, but which version of that code is actually running on your prod instance right now, or your UAT instance from last Thursday. If you can't answer that, you need deploy tags. The setup for this starts with auth aliases. If you follow the credentials episode, you've already set up at least one. For multi-instance work, add one per environment. Your dev environment, your UAT environment, your production environment. Each alias stores the credentials for its instance. Deploying to dev now becomes now-sdk install auth dev. UAT becomes now-sdk install auth UAT. Same command, but the different target. The promotion flow is now develop and iterate on dev, verify behavior on UAT, promote to prod when confident. Don't skip environments, do your normal promotion flow. Catching a problem on UAT costs you an hour, but catching it on prod costs considerably more. The pattern I use for tracking what's on each instance is right after I have a successful deploy, I create an annotated tag. So tagging as in git tag, and then you have a bunch of parameters I'll display on screen. The format is environment, then today's date, then the short commit hash from git log one line, and then push tags with git push follow tags. Now you can run git tag at any point and know exactly what code is running where. Rollback works off of those same tags. If today's prod deploy broke something, find the previous prod tag, check out that commit, rebuild, and redeploy that. The tag tells you exactly what was there before. One thing to be clear about, deploy tags track the code you deployed. They don't track what that deployed code did to that instance after it got there. Records could have been created, tables could have been changed in platform, flows that might have ran already. Those aren't in Git. This is the same boundary the rolling back episode covered. Tags handle this code side. Instance level cleanup is a separate operation. The whole deploy tag cycle, including pushing and creating the tag automatically, can be wrapped up in a skill, and we'll cover building those specific kind of skills in the next group of episodes. That's all for Git. Okay, thanks. Talk to you in the next batch.